Hey Beardy buddies, and welcome to Unboxing with Beardy. So those of you that know me already know this, and those of you that don't probably don't know that I'm, along with being a handyman, a massive nerd. And along with that comes obviously Star Trek. And so in today's unboxing, we are going to be looking at what I ordered. And what I ordered is an upgrade, actually, from what I already have. So let's take a look and see what we find in this box. Do a review of everything. So, Blu-ray of Star Trek movie. This is what I'm most excited about. The Blu-ray collection of Star Trek The Next Generation, which, interesting fact, they did post-production on VHS quality, so what they had to do to remaster these is go back to the original footage and completely redo all the post-production. So that's the first time in television history that's been done. And what do we got here? We have the Blu-ray collection of Star Trek Enterprise, Blu-ray Star Trek The Animated Series, and Blu-ray of Star Trek, the original series. Ultimately, I would love for them to remaster Deep Space Nine, as that is probably close to my favorite series. I'd still say probably The Next Generation is probably my favorite, but it looks like that isn't going to happen because of the massive cost and Deep Space Nine not being as popular of a franchise. So that and Voyager probably will never be remastered into Blu-ray. So let's set up and take a look at the packaging. Along with the added benefit of the high def, I think you'll see there's another obvious benefit. And that is size. It's not going to take up nearly as much space. This is the entire series in high def, and look at how much smaller it is. It's about the size of 2 seasons of this, the DVD set, which, incidentally, everything that I've upgraded will be available for sale, if anybody's interested. So. Oh, what's this? Collector's cards. Here's what the inside of one of these looks like. I'm going to make sure and go through every disc to make sure there isn't a scratch on any of them. It seems to be one of the common causes of complaints online with these box sets is that they get them brand new, but during shipping one of the discs has fallen off the thing and scratched. So Go through each one of them. Right now, let's take a look at one of the menus of one of the discs and see what it looks like on the screen.
All stations report.
Sick bay and alert, Captain.
Engineering sections report. What is our situation?
Security override request.
Identified.
Regard, Jean-Luc, Captain, USS Enterprise.
Captain, we may not be able to get control.
On screen.
Star Trek The Next Generation goes to the next level on Blu-ray with all 22 Season 2 episodes, including the introduction to the fan-favorite villain, the Board,
File and ready.
and the unforgettable episode, The Measure of a Man, praised by Entertainment Weekly as one of the top 10 episodes of the series.
What is he? A machine. Is he? Are you sure? Yes. You see, he's met 2 of your 3 criteria for sentience, so what if he meets the 3rd? What is he meant?
Along with brilliantly remastered picture and visual effects from the original camera negatives. Plus 7.1 surround sound and the original audio tracks.
It is with great anticipation that I've been waiting for my kids to finally be old enough to watch Star Trek with me. And now especially the boys at the ages of 12, 10, and 8 are able to watch. The plan is, now that I got these new sets, to at least watch 1 episode a weekend. We've gotten through 1 episode already, and they've been begging me already to watch the next, so looking forward to many adventures with the family. How was that?
That was awesome. Should we do another one too?